Walking for 30 minutes a day or more on most days of the week is a great way to improve or maintain your overall health. If you can't manage 30 minutes a day, remember, even a little is good, but more is better. Walking with others can turn exercise into an enjoyable social occasion. Health benefits of walking: you carry your body weight when you walk. This is known as weight-bearing exercise. Some of the benefits include reduced body fat. Being physically active significantly reduces the risk of several major health conditions by between 20% and 60%, including heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, colon and breast cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight, improves cholesterol levels, reduces blood pressure, builds healthy muscles and bones, improves balance. Regular brisk walking improves the performance of your heart, lungs, and circulation. It can also lower your blood pressure. And it can reduce your risk of strokes. Walking fast burns more kilojoules per hour than walking slowly, but this doesn't mean you have to push yourself until you're breathless. Instead, pace yourself so that you can still talk. This simple rule of thumb means that you walk safely within your target heart rate, which brings about health gains. Our bodies tend to get used to physical activity, so continue to increase your intensity as you can improve your fitness levels. You can increase the intensity of your walks by walking up hills, walking with hand weights, increasing your walking speed gradually by including some quick walking, increasing the distance you walk quickly before returning to a moderate walking pace, walking for longer. Precaution: wear loose, comfortable clothing, and appropriate footwear to avoid blisters and shin splints. However, the wrong type of shoe or walking action can cause foot or shin pain, blisters, and injuries to soft tissue. Make sure your shoes are comfortable, with appropriate heel and arch supports. Drink plenty of fluids before and after your walk. If you are taking a long walk, take water with you. See your doctor for a medical checkup before embarking on any new fitness program, particularly if you are aged over 40 years, are overweight, or haven't exercised in a long time. Did this video help you? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, keep in mind subscribing to our channel to stay tuned with upcoming mysterious videos every week.